So I'm using this test circuit to test the capability of the ESL controller. I'm connected to the 4 outputs, and we have only generation from the lower ones. As we can see, this is one problem, and the other problem is that I'm connected here to the voltage reference with a 64 turns potentiometer. This is this one. It goes to pin 1 here, as shown in the circuitry, and I am now applying this voltage to the feedback pin here, the VAR, and I'm varying the voltage applied to this pin in order to shut down the PWM signal. And I am now almost to the top, to the 5 volts, but the pin loads this voltage, this pin, so much that from so I have only 900 millivolts right now. And now I'm going to turn the potentiometer down to lower the voltage, because we have an internal reference connected here to a current source. So this should go low in order for the PWM signal to down regulate or to shut down. So we will try to turn off the PWM by lowering down the voltage on this pin. So this is what happens. I'll put it here so you can see. Oops. So this is the 64 turn potentiometer. Now the multimeter can see better. It goes down, and we should expect from a functioning controller that the PWM output to be down regulated or to be shut down. But as we can see, this is the voltage going down. So it's almost 0 now, and nothing happens. So, and when I go all the way in the other direction to the right, we're to the point where I'm shorting the potentiometer to the voltage reference. It loads the voltage reference so much that the voltage reference goes down. So it's not possible to shut down this PWM signal. Also, this is one big problem. The other big problem is there is no soft start capability here. Even though I have connected here a capacitor, I have connected even with 1 microfarad in order to see a soft start, but nothing happens, and the voltage goes up very smoothly, but nothing happens to the PNW. It doesn't change with going up of this voltage. This is the second problem. And the third problem is I haven't connected here on the upper outputs, 13 and 12, nothing. And at some point it stopped generating the pulses. So those pulses, they were like the functioning previously, and now they are not working. So a lot of issues with this controller, and the mere fact that I cannot shut it down through the means of this voltage. I also connected the potentiometer here on the feedback pin, and I couldn't shut it down also from here. So this feedback circuitry doesn't work. So the controller cannot be utilized. It's defect. So I have no other choice.